Boy, Bird, and Dog by an author who likes to draw, read, and make books for kids. His name is David McPhail. Boy saw Bird. Bird was up. Boy went up. "Hello, boy," said Bird. "Hello, Bird," said Boy. They saw and saw. Dog saw Bird and Boy. "I want to go up," said Dog, "but I can't." Boy went down. He got a rope. He got a pot. Dog went in the pot. Boy went up. He pulled the rope. Dog was up. "Hello, Dog," said Bird. "Hello, Bird," said Dog. Boy, Bird, and Dog liked to be up. They saw and saw. They saw Mom. She went to the tree. Mom had cookies. She held them up, but Boy did not go down. He sent the pot. Mom put the cookies in the pot. Boy pulled up the pot. Boy, Bird, and Dog had cookies. Yum, they were good. Boy, Bird, and Dog were happy. Did you like Boy, Bird, and Dog? I hope so.